Hello traders, so welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to take one live trade and will explain you in detail so that you can learn as well as apply in your live trading session. So as you can see, we are on Euro US dollar chart. It is 1 minute candlestick you can see, and we will going to take 5-minute trades. So first of all, let's analyze the chart. As we can see that market is moving in the downward direction, and this is a retracement phase I can see. And first let me draw some levels so that I guess we have a trend line here. It's a support level, and let me increase the time frame because we are going to take 5-minute trade. Okay, this candle is a breakout clear, and I have taken the trade, and let's wait for the result and I will explain you the trading setup. So as you can see, we have won this trade. So let me explain you the trading setup completely. So the first thing which I noticed in the chart is that the market was moving in the downtrend. So it was a clear downtrend. This retracement was a sign that market in future will going to reverse and will continue its downtrend. Now what I draw here was a trend line which was actually a support level, which was broken by this strong Marubozu candlestick pattern. The volume was very good here, and the candlestick pattern was also strong. Previous candle was also strong, and these wicks shows constant push from the seller's side. So what I did here, I take a breakout trade here because I found a good candlestick pattern breaking its trend line, which was actually a support level. And we have placed our trade in the direction of the trend. The market retraces itself for some time, but as you can see, market hit that very particular level and reverses back very strongly, suggesting that market will continue its downtrend. That's it for today. I have explained the complete setup. If you have doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.